Before you begin, consult both the vehicle manual and the car seat manual for instructions. In this video, you will learn general steps to place a locking clip on a lap shoulder seat belt. Position the car seat on the vehicle seat. Look for a recline indicator. If the seat is not reclined enough, check the manual to see if you may use a piece of pool noodle, multiple pool noodles taped together, or a tightly rolled towel to change the recline angle. Place the towel or noodle on the vehicle seat at the bite or crease. Route the seatbelt through the appropriate belt path and buckle it. Make sure the seatbelt is flat and not twisted. Most car seats have a way to access the inside of the belt path, making it easier to tighten the lap portion of the seatbelt. Pull on the shoulder portion of the seatbelt close to the buckle to tighten the lap portion of the seatbelt. Compress the car seat with your body, but do not climb onto the car seat. With one hand, pinch and hold both pieces of seatbelt together close to the buckle. With the other hand, unbuckle the seatbelt. Position the locking clip within 1 inch of the latch plate. Make sure the lap and shoulder portions of the seatbelt are securely routed under all 4 prongs of the locking clip. Make sure the seatbelt is flat and not twisted. Once again, compress the car seat and rebuckle the seat. Check that the locking clip is sitting flat and is either all the way in or all the way out of the belt path. Check to see that the car seat is tightly installed by pulling at the belt path. The car seat should move less than 1 inch in any direction, side to side and front to back. Double check the recline angle. If the recline angle is not correct, uninstall the seat and make adjustments. If you are having difficulty, try installing with a different method, try a different seating position in the vehicle, or try a different car seat.